right, beautiful people. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to make the Chipotle bowl. We're going to try this at home. And when I went to the store, I mistakenly got parsley instead of cilantro. So we're going to leave that ingredient out. But first, what we're going to do now is we're going to wash the chicken. Okay, we have boneless chicken thighs. And what we're going to do is we're going to wash this and we're going to marinate it. So let's do that now. And my husband is the cameraman today, so if he drops the camera or he doesn't show what I'm supposed to be doing, you showing me wash the chicken, love? Ooh, I haven't bought chicken breast in a long time. Forgot how much fat was on it. Fatty. Ooh, it's a lot of fat on this chicken. Okay, that's going to be cut off. All that fat will be cut off. All right, beautiful people, what you want to do is wash this chicken with lemon after you rinse it. And I should have gloves on, but this is only for me and my husband, so I'm all good. So let me cut the fat off camera, and we're gonna rinse it again. Okay, beautiful people, I'm back, and it took a while to cut this fat off of these thighs. It's a lot of fat. So what I suggest, just buy chicken breast. Don't buy chicken thighs. That's just my opinion, because it took me a while to cut that fat off, and after you look at that fat, you probably don't even want to eat it after that. But anyway, so now let's marinate these chicken thighs. Now, the recipe requires a 1/4 cup of water and a 1/4 cup of oil and the chipotle pepper marinade. Okay, put that over there. This is the marinade, and it's going to sit in the refrigerator for an hour. Mix it well. Make sure all of your thighs have the marinade on it. All right. Cut. All right, let's cover the chicken. Like I said, it's going to sit in the refrigerator for 1 hour to marinate, is what the recipe says. I've never done this before, beautiful people, so don't come after me if it doesn't turn out right. If you're going to do this recipe anyway. If you're going to cook the Chipotle dish. Let's see how it turns out. I hope it turns out well. Okay. Cut. Okay, beautiful people, now it's time to cut the onion. I wish I had a onion cutter. You hear me, cameraman? Onion cutter. Wait a minute, let's cut it this way so it could be smaller. or let's cut this off camera. Wonderful. All right, beautiful people, the time has come. The chicken has been marinating for about an hour, so let's fry it. Okay, beautiful people, he's gonna cut the meat for us. And then we're gonna sit down and we're gonna try this dish and see if it's better than Chipotle, the same as Chipotle. Okay, beautiful people, the time has come to make the plates and see if this is gonna turn out like Chipotle or maybe not Chipotle, but we're gonna see. Maybe it's gonna taste a little like Chipotle. We'll see. So first we're gonna put the rice, and we're gonna do it in paper bowls. Okay, boo, that'll be mine. Kind of sticky. Okay, what's next, honey?
Black beans, boo.
Black beans. We want to do it in the order that Chipotle does it. Another spoon. Oh, this bowl is mine, right?
Let's just fix yours first, boo.
That's enough rice?
One more. That's good.
Okay. Beans. Black beans. Is that enough?
That's enough.
Black beans.
Chicken.
Chicken. Was this one yours, love?
I don't remember.
Is that enough chicken?
Yes, but you gotta get it right though, because I don't want all that rice.
So which one is yours, love? This one?
I don't know. You had a pound of rice in your.
Oh, that one was mine then. This one was yours.
Yes.
That's good?
No. That's good enough.
What's next?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
That's good.
What's next, love? The sour cream or the corn?
Corn.
That's good, love?
It's good.
Then the sour cream.
Mm-hmm. That's yours or mine?
This is mine.
Okay. Good enough.
That's enough?
Mm-hmm.
Then the lettuce. More?
Mm-hmm.
More?
Go ahead, boo. Do yours.
Babe.
You look like you scared to pick the lettuce up. I don't know.
No, because you'll say, oh, you didn't give me enough. Okay, that's good, love.
That's good.
Oh, and then the chicken. Oh, we did that, right?
Yes.
Okay. So. Now you can cut. All right. Beautiful people, we're going to taste it now. See what it tastes like. It doesn't look like Chipotle, but maybe it'll taste like Chipotle. Somewhat like Chipotle. It's just that the chicken is hot, and it's not hot when you get it from Chipotle. And the beans are hot. So, thumbs up